Bharatiya Janata Party and Modi government is looting and fleecing the people of this country, more so the people of Karnataka. For 9th day in a row, diesel and petrol prices are now touching the sky, have been raised successively. We have Modi and Yediyurappa tax on petrol and diesel, and that is insurmountable. The cost of petrol and diesel in this country is barely 30 rupees, while people, particularly farmers and the common people, the salaried class, the middle class, are being made to pay through their pocket. 20 lakh crore loot has happened in last 6.5 years of BJP rule in Delhi as also in Karnataka. Rajasthan government reduced the local VAT rate for the state so that relief can be given to people. Why is the BJP government in Karnataka not reducing its own VAT rate on petrol and diesel so that relief can be given? Is the responsibility of the Prime Minister and Chief Minister only to fill up their coffers, or listen to the problems of the people? And much worse has been happening to the cooking gas. The cooking gas prices are now crossing 770 rupees per cylinder. Only in this year, that is last 2.5 months, since December 2020 to today, 175 rupees per gas cylinder has been increased. What should the people of India do? And all newspaper, all channels of Karnataka have been showing since morning that all essential commodities, on account of the enhanced cost of transportations, are going through the sky. How will people of Karnataka and people of this country be able to survive like this? And tragically, I want to add one more thing. Only today it has been disclosed that for the financial year 2021, Modi government proposes to collect another 2 lakh crore rupees from taxes on petrol and diesel alone. If you add the state taxes and the dealers commission, it would probably nationally come to 300,000 crore or 3 lakh crore rupees. Is that the way we are going to ameliorate the conditions of people of this country? Inflation is sky high and government is refusing to relent or to settle the grievances of the people. This fuel loot must end, this Modi tax must end, this Yediyurappa tax must end, and relief must be given for LPG, petrol and diesel to the common man, to the housewife, to the middle class, to the salaried class, to the farmers and poor of this country. Initiated wherein a direct interaction is being held with various elected representatives and leaders of the party. We have an impending election in the corporation. We have impending elections both for Taluka and Jilla Panchayats. The opinion of the leaders, the opinion of the party workers, opinions of people who contested on Congress tickets and symbols right from Taluka up to the parliament. We are trying to collate that information so that an action plan, both for development of the rural hinterland of Karnataka as also for Bangalore, a vision paper then can be presented on which Congress party will then go to polls on.
Sir, at the same time in Bangalore especially, you might have heard of KGL and DJLD case. Even Akanda Srinivasamurthy is making allegation against your own party leader. He's a ex-mayor as well. He's a ex-mayor of the BBMP. What is your stand on that one?
I think there are some matters that need to be discussed inside the party fora. and not necessarily through friends of the media. I would advise all Congress leaders, instead of going to the press and the media, making unwarranted comments which is not conducive for their own growth, as also not conducive for in the party's interest. They should raise all concerns before the PCC president, the CLP leader, the working presidents, and I am also here, the AICC secretaries are here. We will listen to everybody. Everybody has a right to speak. We will not issue notices like the Bharatiya Janata Party, where corruption of the chief minister, when it is exposed by their own legislators, then Bharatiya Janata Party issues notices to them. When a transfer scam is exposed by BJP legislators, then notices are issued to them instead of questioning the chief minister whether there is any truth in that or not. So this is not the party of VST. This is the party of workers, and we will listen to everybody's
Sir, but
grievances.
he said, sir,